Greetings. Here we have a good question from again Digital Logic Design. Say question is this. Say given to you like this A complement and B complement, or B complement and C, or C complement and A, or A and B complement, or B and C complement, or C and A complement, or B or C complement. Now you simplify this following, this Boolean expression for its answer. Yeah. So say it is asked for 1 mark. So you have maximum say 50 seconds. So how do you utilize time 50 seconds for this question? So observe carefully. Can we do something here? Can we apply any Boolean laws to simplify this? I have A complement and B complement, and I have A and B complement are no support for AB. I have C complement and A, or a C and A complement. Yeah. So you can form some exclusive OR operation for this. Again, no big deal. So just keep on check like that. So if you want to focus on these two, B complement and C, and or B and C complement, again there is nothing out of this. Then how do we tackle this smart question? If you observe carefully, now you can point out this term as well as this term. Yeah. Now what do we have here? This term is okay. So B complement and C, and let's take it as it is, B or C complement. Do you see any relationship between these two, or can we construct any or can we utilize any Boolean laws using these two to simplify this smart question? You see, what we have is this: X or X complement is equal to what? Is equal to 1. X and X complement equal to 0. So we have this beautiful loss, right? So now we are going to use this very first one, X or X complement equal to 1. So see, now assume this quantity is X here. Assume like B complement and C is like X. Now you see this must be X complement. You can check it out. Okay, because see, let B complement and C, if I take its whole complement, this is X, right? This is X. Now if I want to perform X complement, then I must get this one, B complement and C whole complement is equal to what? B or C complement. Yes or not? For example, like this, say you have A or B complement is equal to A complement and B complement. Or if you take like this, A and B whole complement is equal to, you have A complement or B complement. So therefore you see, if I choose X equal to B complement C, and X complement is what now? X complement is B or C complement. That is what this one. So now this is X, right? X or X complement. So whatever you have doesn't matter. So now you have lots of stuff here, right? You have lots of stuff here. Let me use another color. So I have A complement and B complement. Then I have or C complement and A. Again I have A and B complement, or B and C complement, or C and A complement. Now these two fellows will be replaced by 1. Yes or not? Because we have X or X complement equal to 1. From Boolean laws we have this. So now what is the answer for this? Yes, the answer is anything plus 1. See, anything or 1, this anything or 1 is 1 itself. So whatever you have in the left hand side doesn't matter. Whatever you have, this stuff or 1 is again 1. So the answer for this question is 1. Simple, right? Yeah. So you should be able to apply your laws whenever required like this. Thank you.